Hello, my name is Robin. My registration number is URK18CS244. So now we are going to see a program which is used to turn an infix expression into a postfix expression. An notation is also called a conventional notation, and it uses it is a normal expression that we use in a day-to-day life. It uses parenthesis, which is a and to differentiate between two operations. And using this notation, we can postfix notation, we can easily eliminate the uses of parentheses. So now for the program, let me go to the program. So this is a program for turning an infix notation into postfix. So we're going to use an array of size. We can use any size in this one. So we're going to use an array, create an array named infix, and a post array called postfix, and we are going to use stack implementation to turn an infix into postfix. So we are going to use an array named stack also. So like we're going to use a top variable that will point to the top of the stack, which is initialized with value -1. And so this is the first we used a push function to push the value into the stack. So if the value of the top is greater than is equal to size of the one less than size of the array, we will print the stack is overflow, because now our stack is full. So we just print the stack is overflowed. Else we'll just put the value, incremented value of top, and put the item that we got into the stack. Now for pop function, we'll use this char item, and we'll use top is for when the top is less than 0. The stack is underflowed because where value is less than 0, value of top is less than 0. That means the stack is empty and is showing in the initial first position. Now for else, if it's not that, the item in the stack top, we'll push the item to the top of the stack, and the top value of top is decremented, and we'll return the top item. Now we'll check the operator if our symbol is exponential. If we check if our character used being encountered is an operator. So if it is exponent operator or multiplication or division plus or subtraction, we will just return 1, which is for true, and if it is not that, we'll return 0, that's for false. Now we'll set an operation function to check the precedence of the operator. So the highest precedence we are going to give it to the exponent operator. So if we encounter exponent operator, we'll return the value 3. Else, if the operator are multiplication or division, they have same precedence, so we'll return 2. Else if the operator is plus or minus, they also have same precedence, so we return -1. Else we return 0. Then now we'll check if the main function array infix to postfix. Now this takes two array as input. So like we initialize two variables i and j, one character variable and one item, and another character variable x. Now we'll push first parenthesis in front of the expression, because it will help us to turn it to postfix easily. So now we're going to use and we are going to enter another parenthesis, closing parenthesis, at the end of the expression. Initialize the value of I and j with 0, an item with and we'll just put an item will put the first I, 0th element. So we'll run a loop from item till the array is not going to encountering the null element. We're gonna run a loop. So if our item is open parenthesis, it will push that item parenthesis to the stack. Else if it is a digit or an alphabet, we'll push it in the postfix and increment the value of j at position j. And else if it's an operator, we'll pop. If it's an operator, we'll pop while, then we'll put another loop while if is operator and will is operator and will check the precedence. If the precedence is greater than or equal to the precedence of that current item, then we will push it in the postfix operator in the postfix and increment the value of j, and we'll pop the value of x. And after this it will keep on going until the value of precedence is item is less than the value of x. Then we will push the last value of x inside the stack and push the item. And if it's else if our item is the closing parenthesis, will pop while till we not encounter another open bracket. We'll keep on popping all the elements from the stack, else if the invalid fixed expression, our expression is wrong, for checking that. And then if top is greater than 0, that means our stack is invalid expression. Also that also means our expression is invalid. So for the main function, we just we'll ask the user to enter an expression and use getS to enter read an string, and we'll pass it to infix and postfix operator and then we'll return the postfix operator. Now to run the program, we'll run the program. Now if we enter an expression a plus b divided by c, so we can see that it returns our postfix expression a, b, c, divide and plus. So this is how you use and turn an infix expression to postfix. Thank you.